the valley of the shadow of death. I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the state, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and the kid in my eye. I'm a low out gangster, set tripping banger, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living like you do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know.
Ой, дурак. Ой, дурак.
Power and the money, money and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour. Everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool.
Ой, бля, говном закидали. Ну не дергайся ты. Ну, блин. Гений, что ли? Ну, блин. Не надо, батя. Криво не лети, пожалуйста. Он, сука, переехал. Круто. Дурак, что ли? Оттуда не добивает вкус. Можно было фугас зарядить. Ну да ладно. На петушина затопилась ведь. Петушиный поступок, конечно. Петух, давайте по катку. Хорош. Да и каток. Это, конечно, крыс.
If I know that in this hotel room they have food every day, and I'm knocking on the door every day to eat, and they open the door, let me see the party, let me see like them throwing salami all over. I mean, just like throwing food around. But they're telling me there's no food. You know what I'm saying? Every day, I'm standing outside trying to sing my way in. You know what I'm saying? We are hungry, please let us in. We are hungry, please let us in. After about a week, that song is gonna change to we hungry, we need some food. After 2-3 weeks, it's like, you know, give me all the food, breaking out the door. And after a year, you just like, you know what I'm saying? I'm picking the lock, coming through the door, blasting, you know what I'm saying? It's like you hungry, you reached your level, you don't want any more. We asked 10 years ago. We was asking with the Panthers. We was asking with them, you know, with the Civil Rights Movement. We was asking, you know, now those people that were asking, they're all dead and in jail. So now what do you think we're gonna do? Ask?
They wanna bury me and worry, no need to lie. I pray to God I don't scream when it's time to fry. Nowhere to rest, I'm losing homies. Ain't that a bitch? When I was rich, I had clout. Now a nigga's lonely. I put the pistol to my head and say a prayer. Hey, Lord, are you there? They tell me am I lost cause I'm lonely. I thought I had friends, but in the end a nigga dies lonely. Nowhere to run, I'm in terror, and no one cares. A closed casket at my funeral when no one's there. Is there a future for a killer? I changed my ways. Still, that don't promise me the next day. So I stay thugging with a passion, forever blasting. I'm busting on these motherfuckers in my mask. They wonder if I'm hell mad. Well, hell can't be worse than this, cause I'm in hell now. Don't make me hurt you, I don't want you, but I will. See motherfuckers killed over phone bills, never will I die, I'll be back. Reincarnated as a motherfucking back.
будет, конечно.
The controversy over Death Row Records and its owner being sort of a gangster.
Everybody asking about Death Row. Sugar ain't no gangster, ain't chillin'.
No?
Nah, man. Sugar rider. I know what good morals are, but you're supposed to disregard good morals when you live in a crazy, bad world. Here in hell, I think you live like an angel. You sit here surrounded by devils and trying to be an angel. That's like suicide.
Можно запушить.
Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. So be true, swear I'll try. In the end, to midnight. Got his head, my mind. Got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I.
My 65 speeding up the PCH, a hell of a ride. They don't wanna see us make it, they just wanna divide. 2017, Bonnie and Clyde. Wouldn't see the point of living on if one of us died. Yeah.
Ну куда ты, братишка?
That kind of style, everybody try to rip off. Buy a sell dress under when she take the mix. Silk on her body, pull it down and watch it slip off. Ever catch me cheating, she would try to cover. Crazy, but I love her, I could never run from her. Hit it, no rubber, never would, no one touch her. Swear we drive each other mad, she be so stubborn. But what the fuck is love with no pain, no suffer? Incense, this shit it gets dense. She knows when I'm out, I feel like she could just dance. If I had $1 million, it was down to 10 cents. She be down for whatever, never gotta convince, you know?
Hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. So be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's out his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I. Him and
It's her and I, mobbing to the end of time. Only one who gets me, I'm a crazy fucking Gemini. Remember this time we die. Everybody dressed in all black suits in a tie. My funeral be
Блин. Да, я запушил, конечно.
identify. My bitch was the most solid, nothing to solidify. She would never cheat, you never see her with a different guy. Ever tell you different, then it's a lie. See, that's my down bitch. See, that's my soldier. She keep that thing. If anyone goes there, come and collect.
Ха-ха, слово. Типа не хочешь получать, да?
Ride for me until this thing over. We do drugs together, fuck up clubs together, and we both go crazy if we was to sever. You know, we keep mobbing, it's just me and my bitch. Fuck the world, we just gon' keep getting rich. You know.
cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. Said be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's out his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I. Him and take a life, it's him and I swear.
To the end, I'ma ride with you. Mob and get money, get high with you. Yeah.
Cross my heart, hope to die. This is how I to die. You can confide in me. There's none to hide, and I swear.
Stay solid, never lie to you. Swear most likely I'ma die with you.
Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. Said be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's out his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love.
Давай. Я промахнулись. Да. Good. Я ты получил, конечно.
Иногда хипишь, иногда хаваю. Не в курсе за твои дела, похуй на хаваю. Когда небо не достал добавку правую, тут пацаны воюют. В нашем краю твою крию исчезнут как вид. Будет искать следы копыт следопыт. Будто закат от цвета алого в глазах рябит. Я как забит, Магомед Шарипов, ты забит. Дальше только кладбище, как я обещал. Так что в вопросах разберусь, а не в вещах. На брюках стрелки и на стрелках. Нам баллы не поставят, одного спел, как в детстве мелом некрасиво рисовал людей. Че рисовать легче, обводить сложнее. И было бы мрачнее, если бы рисовать.
Это актер, пацан.
Жену и детей. Мы виснем с пацанами везде, кроме виселицы. Спокойнее себя веди, чтобы не выселиться. Но виной всему случай, бля, и вуаля. Свежесть дыхал белого покрывала января. Я ни на что не сетовал, начнем-ка с этого. Нас потаскало так, что вид как у отпетого. Увижу многое, о многом осведомлен. Пока не сравняет с землей.
Блин. Как же меня кошмар изо рта. Вот так-то педущие. Тень 900. Бля, тяжко в ультрамолу вообще. Хотя бы планку надо удержать. Проехать, что ли? Хотя не буду рисковать. Down, down. Проблемы. А второй куток. А, не надо. Какая озабоченная арта. Пробивай, пожалуйста. Че, идиот, что ли? Да ты идиот, конечно. Они что, долбоёбы, что ли?
Smack that all on the floor. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that till you're good. Smack that. Oh, smack that.
Hey, convict.
Smack that. I want some more. Smack that.
Convict.
You got a name, cop?
Jack Gates. I need your help finding a witness.
What makes you think I want to help? Matter of fact, with some food.
24-hour release from this place. Missing an old friend.
So when do we get started?
А, в смысле, не могу пробить, что ли? чутило.
Hitting no less than 3. Block real style like we. Girl, I can tell you want me, cause lately I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. And possibly bend you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get so. Smack that. Это самое это на меня. Давай, я заряди по нему.
куда ты меня толкаешь? Ясно, понятно. Базовую минуту. Да ёкарный уже, поспешил. Да как не пробил-то? Братишка, живи. Да, ты, конечно, живешь. Заебись, завис. Що за прикол? Спасибо. За просаженную метку. Нет, моя метка. Ай, нубка, я не умею в нубки играть. Чё? В смысле? О, боже.
Whoops. Anyone have some change?
Something special, unforgettable, 50 Cent, just damn, simple lane, damn, she want it, I wanna give it to her, she know that it's right here for her, I wanna see her break it down, I'm ballin',
throwing money around. She a work girl, she work the pole, she break it down, she take it low, she find it, she bout the dough, she doing a thing out on the floor. Her money, she make it, look at the way she shake it, make you want to touch it, make you want to taste it. How you lustin' for it, going crazy, face it now, don't stop, get it, the way she shake it, make you want it. Then she double jointed from the way she split it, got your head from the way she did it. She's so much more than you used to. She knows just how to move to seduce you. She gon' do the right thing and touch the right spots and dance on your lap till you ready to pop. She always ready when you want it. She want it like a the info. I show you where to meet her on the late night till daylight. The club jumping if you want a good time. She gon' give you what you want.
Baby, you're so new age, you're like my new craze. Let's get together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smoke's got the club all hazy, spotlights don't do you justice, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. Why don't you sit down on top of me? Hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. I need you right in front of me. She won't sit. She won't sit, she won't sit, so gotta give it to her. She won't sit, she won't sit, she won't sit, so gotta give it to her. Your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized. Let me tell you, your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized. Let me tell you, your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized. Let me tell you, your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized.
Got a thing for that thing she got, the way she make it tick, the way she make it pop and make it rain for us so she don't stop. I ain't got the move, I can sit, watch in the fantasy, it's plain to see just how it be, her and me. Backstroking, sweat soaking, all under my set sheets. When she ready to ride, I'm ready to roll. I'll be in this to the club close, watching her do what thing on all fours. Now that this shit against the law, from side to side, let the ride, break it down, down, down. You know I like when you hype and you throw it all around. Different style, different groove. Damn, I like the way you move. Girl, you got me thinking about all the things I do to you. Let's get it poppin', shout it. We can switch positions. From the couch to the counters in my kitchen.
Baby, you're so new age, you're like my new craze. Let's get together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smoke's got the club all hazy, spotlights don't do you justice, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. Why don't you sit down on top of me? Hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. I need you right in front of me. She won't sit, she won't sit, she won't sit, so gotta give it to her. She won't sit, she won't sit, she won't sit, so gotta give it to her. Your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized. Let me tell you, your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized. Let me tell you, your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized. Let me tell you, your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized. Let me tell you.
It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there.
You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay 'em, but you won't take the sting out these words before I say 'em. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing mayhem. When I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me, so fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up, everything's stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be, without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts, don't try to ask him why, how can he? From Infinite down to the last relapse album, he's still shitting, whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he bows out or he shits his bowels out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the earth, he's got the urge to pull his dick from the dirt and fuck the whole